not mad about it. Alright, welcome to Mexico. We just got in. The two married couples are staying in a different place, but so this is my grandparents, or my parents, and my brother who's not married, and me are staying. And this is the couch that I will be sleeping on because I always sleep out here on the couch. I have for years. It's just so nice to wake up outside in the morning, and it's like actually really nice out here overnight. I'm very much looking forward to that. Overall, the flights are pretty good. I edited the whole flight for like 4 hours. There's a lot of people, a lot of planes coming in at the same time, so customs was a little bit long. We have like 2 hours until we're going to dinner, so we're gonna go down to the beach and pool and just get our first little glimpse of spring break, and then we will head out to dinner. So yeah, welcome to Mexico. Show the class. Sonia really wanted to be in a video, and I said, this is not like your whole wedding video. That was for sure your actual debut, even though you've been around for like 6-7 years. So I'm pretty sure I made a whole video about your wedding. Sonia just really wanted to feel included, so we had to make sure she was feeling included.
Just do some pull-ups. Yeah, I do Pilates.
What happens when you pass 60?
Then I'll be in my golden years.
Okay, so there's a little bit of a surprise. We got my mom and my sister-in-law and my grandma all got the boys, so my grandpa and my dad and my brothers, matching shirts. And we're gonna do like they all show up in matching shirts thing. This one's for my brother, so we will see. My brother is currently in the shower right now. We're gonna go out to dinner very soon. This has been planned for months, so we'll see how well this works out.
He's got my shirt on.
What? You got my shirt on.
So is there more coming out with the same shirt?
Well, that's just an amazing coincidence.
Wow!
I understand.
They call that a coincidence.
Wow!
Wow.
Ben, what kind of shirt do you have? Oh, and Jim has one too.
Wow. Nice shirt, Grandpa. That's pretty funny.
Good looking man.
Oh, look who's joined. Oh, who?
Hey, got it.
Oh, what? You guys, what?
Wow!
Oh my gosh!
Wow!
He's the best looking guy here, and I'm telling you, and there's 3 of us.
I think they're telling us that we're all kept men.
Okay, Chapman, out on the deck, we got to take another picture with Holly.
And we'll get out there and you.
Yeah. Hey, let's just get out here. We just tried to get out of the elevator, and half the door opened. Not like one door, like half of the layers. So we couldn't leave at all.
I think I was claustrophobic until that.
Until we were caught with like how many people? 10 people in one elevator that literally the doors were unable to be opened. So we just went to a different floor, and then the doors opened. That was lovely. Welcome to my little couch bed. I have been sleeping out here for years. I didn't film really much last night after we got back from dinner because I was really tired. A lot of us just went to bed. My grandparents and my mom and I watched a show that I fell asleep through. This is my bed. I could absolutely sleep in an actual bed because there is one available for me, but I don't want to. Because why would I when I can sleep outside and wake up and go to bed with the sounds of the ocean? Oh my gosh, amazing. I'm super grateful to sleep out here. It's such a nice couch too, and it's actually long enough for me as being tall. And I actually think this is the most comfortable I've ever been out here temperature wise. I am now used to all winter. My apartment has been set at 64 degrees. Not that it really gets chilly out here, but it's definitely warmer than 64 degrees out here overnight. I don't know if I've ever slept out here in a t-shirt. It is like 7:30 I think right now. We are going to church this morning, it's Sunday, and then I think it's just a beach and pool day. I have to set up the bed though so that it's a couch again for the day, and then I'll set it up at night. So there's Ben, it's my brother. Alright, this is what I'm wearing to church. It's the same dress that I wore last night to dinner because I only brought the one dress. I just got it on Amazon. I can link it down below. It's super, super comfortable and has adjustable straps. The top is like elastic, so you don't have to wear a bra with it. It's very, very comfortable. So I've never encountered a mosquito in all of Puerto Vallarta ever. And during Mass today, do you see that? And up there, I got hit twice by the same mosquito. Lovely for me. I just attract any mosquito in a mile radius. It'll find me. Yay!
That's about right. Down to John.
Big one goes.
That's
The other way.
Because they're the same.
gray. All right.
You could do it like that. Has a unique look, but that works.
Alright.
Actively put the bearings inside the gears, and this might have a with the flames. Yeah, sorry.
Do it again, Johnny.
Do you have the zinc sunscreen?
Oh, he's ready. I'm gonna start up mode. Have the original Navy-born people all playing a rousing game of paddleball, and then over here we have the non-native born navies laying in the sand building a sand city.
Oh, we should make it wire so they can sit.
All just gonna be wind for the sound. Oh, down she goes.
Okay, you know I don't get manhandled like this at the doctor.
Good morning. I did not really film anything after we were like at the beach in the pool. We just had kind of a regular family dinner here, and then I spent all evening editing to upload a video because the grind does not stop when you're on vacation. It was up till 1:30, and I still have to do like the thumbnail and stuff, but I just wanted to get it so that it would upload overnight, and it's like 9 right now. I very rarely am able to sleep this late when I'm outside sleeping because the sun, obviously. But this blanket is like a blackout curtain. Put that over my head or just over my eyes, can't see the sun at all. It's like it's dark outside. It was also definitely cooler outside because I had to wake up and put this sweatshirt on, but other than that I was fine. I think it went down to like 50 8:55. It must be cooler still right now because I'm usually not able to be out here in the blankets at like 9 and still be okay. I'm gonna go have some breakfast, finish making my thumbnail and uploading the video, and then I'm going to relax. But also, do you see how big my hair is? I love humidity because my hair really does something. Good morning. Welcome to Mexico. Okay, we are about to go down to the beach. Well, not the beach, probably more the pool. The boys, most of the boys, and my dad and my grandpa are golfing right now. We've had kind of a chill morning. It's like noon. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. No. This is a Kalani Kinis swimsuit in this really fun floral, more colorful pattern. And then yeah, this is just what I've been wearing as a cover up. Just these linen shorts from Aerie, and this is like a thrifted Hawaiian shirt that I've been wearing. I have my Kindle. I'm gonna go read and just hang out by the pool. The other girls are on their way down. More of a chill morning, afternoon. Lunchtime. I can get mine open. Yeah. That's quite a background though. Look at that. What a view.
This is how she's gonna get found by like a musical agent. What'd you just get?
My knee.
Where are you gonna keep it? I hate posing.
I know. Okay, so we are going on a Vallarta Adventures excursion. You slowed down to be in the video, I know. So we've done a lot of these. We've actually done this specific one a couple of years ago. Basically, we took a boat over to Las Cayetas, and then we get dinner and a show. So funny. Rose wasn't watching, and that big giant dancing tree leaned right over hers. Very funny. I'm not mad about it. It's not. I don't want to say it's good. Oh, you missed. Oh my god.
Face full of Sarah's hair.
So it's getting bigger. That's just like extreme swing on a whole nother level. It is the next morning. Maybe I need to clean my camera. Hold on. I think that's better. Actually, that's a lot better. It's the next morning. Ben, do you want to keep looking at me or do you want to be a part of it? It's up to you. We are going to go to the farmer's market basically today. Literally finished a book this morning, read half of a book this morning. It was great. Wow. $2.25. I've got a butter dish, the one that I showed you.
How much did they ask for?
They asked for $2.50. I could have done more, but I was like, I don't really care. It was already a lot less, 100 less than the place over there for the same thing, so I was like, eh, whatever. Sonia got a hat. What do we, cowboy or pirate?
Well, either way, you could get.
Or
it could be a one.
One or the
A
other.
one, so then it's like what?
Then you mean
Robin?
Musketeers.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Is that the look you were going for? Gonna be matching? Wow, look at that. Okay, I got something else. I got this little ring. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see it. It's not smooth, it's like a textured sort of. I'm probably gonna stack it with another ring because it's small, but I really like it, so. And it's real silver. I'm gonna go to the pool for like an hour and then we have massages. It's gonna be a good time. We've been here many times, but they've upgraded the place and we're very confused about where we're going.
Above the garbage.
Garbage, and then there's
Sonia.
Or a little cutting
Don't
board.
point with the knife. Sonia.
a little stuff going on in here, man.
Put that in the bowl.
You dual income kids, aka the two married couples. My brothers and sisters-in-laws are in charge of dinner tonight, aka there's a lot of cooks in the kitchen. There they go. They're gonna go play paddle ball. The little boys before it gets dark.